welcome back to your channel, Ruby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, modern, traditional recipes, and the rest. So guys, today I'm back. It's very early in the morning, not really early, but it's around 8 o'clock in the morning. And then I've just remembered some friend told me that she loves croissants so much, and she's been trying it, but she doesn't have an oven. So she requested me to make some croissant without oven. So this is our recipe today. So kindly watch this video until the end. Oh. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the croissants. And guys, as you know, most of my recipes are highly flavored and they have taste, not just a croissant, but some tasty flavored croissants. So these are the recipes that I have. I have the 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have some sugar to taste. I have some salt here and yeast. I have my 2 eggs and I have milk. I'm going to use some cooking oil, and then I have some lemon where I'm going to make some lemon zest. So guys, just forgetting, I also have cinnamon. I'm going to use some cinnamon here just to make it taste well. So let me just add cinnamon here. So guys, this croissant is going to be tasty, tasty, tasty. So let's move. So guys, I will start by just adding my milk to the mix. And guys, remember the milk has to be warm. Then I will add in my, and make sure you mix the yeast well. Then I will add in some salt. Just add a teaspoon of salt. And then make sure you mix the yeast and the milk very, 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 very well until everything dissolves. So you add some little warm water to it. And we are going to give it another 5 minutes, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to add quarter cup of sugar, mix it well, and just to try and make sure the sugar dissolves well. Just tasting to see if everything there is fine. Then I have my cinnamon. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it up well. Then I will beat in 1 egg. Mix it up as well also. Croissant, you can use it for breakfast, or you can use it as a snack. You can also use it as a picnic snack. So after this, I'm going to add in my lemon zest. The zest gives it a very, very nice taste. So I'll mix my zest well. Then next, I will add just a little bit of lemon or lemon juice. So we'll just add just 1 part of the lemon. So guys, this is my mix. I'm going to keep it aside for about 5 minutes, so stay tuned. So guys, I have a bowl here. So add my 3 cups of oil, cooking oil. So guys, if you have butter is the best. Then now I can add in my mix of milk and everything. So make sure I need the dough. So yes, this croissant is going to be made without oven, and it's very flavored and tasty. So stay tuned. You have to make your dough soft, and then guys, you see, for the dough to be elastic, you have to keep on playing it around with it, kneading until it gets more softer. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some. If you have butter, you can add butter. If you have oil, you can add oil. So I'm just going to add in some oil. So guys, once it's that soft, now I'm going to cover it and give it 15 minutes, and I'll be back. So stay tuned, guys. Back to my dough. It has risen, and now I'm going to prepare it now. So I'll put some oil. So if you have butter, you can use butter. You can add some butter. So guys, if it was a chocolate croissant, this is the time to put some croissant. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to cut it in the middle. And the other side. So what I'm going to do is just to cut this one part, then make sure you pull, then you roll, you roll, you roll. So this is it. So we're going to place it aside. So I'll continue with the rest. So stay tuned. So guys, these are there. You can see some lemon zest showing on them. So after doing this now, I'm going to prepare my oil and make it. So these are my croissants. So stay tuned. So guys, I'll start by placing my pan. So guys, my oil is ready. So I'm going to place my croissants. So guys, as they cook, I'm going to use this bamboo stick just to turn them, to space them and then to turn them. So stay tuned. Just look at my croissants, they are cooking so well. So just stay tuned. Make sure that every part of it cooks well. I hope they're not that squeezed. So guys, these are my croissants, the ones which have been deep fried there. So you can still make croissants without oven. So I hope you've loved this. You'll enjoy this. Kindly try it out. So guys, just look at this. So nice, guys. So guys, look at this. Look at my croissants. Maybe I can just show you one, see how. And guys, it's very soft. Let me just try one for you. So look at it first. So this snack is very good. You can use it for tea, you can use it for breakfast, you can use it as a picnic snack, and that's also, kindly try it out. Yes. Ooh, just see how soft it is, so fluffy, guys. So nice. So guys, it's very nice flavor. The flavors come out so well. So thank you so much.